In today's Connected Odds video, we ask, what even is the Federal Reserve? Okay, quick civics lesson. I promise this will not smell like a textbook. The Federal Reserve, our country's central bank, is not the government. It's also not Scrooge McDuck hoarding his cash in the money bin. Think of it as the thermostat of the economy. Not the house, not the landlord, the thermostat. Its job is to keep the temperature from going full sauna or deep freeze. So, what does the Fed actually do? Well, one, it controls interest rates. As the central bank, it lends to commercial banks, therefore setting the rates they charge us, affecting credit cards, car loans, mortgages, student loans, and how expensive it is to just exist with debt. Two, it keeps banks from doing extremely dumb things, aspirational, sure, but still important. And three, it tries to keep inflation from eating your paycheck alive, because when prices spike and wages don't, congrats, you're poorer now. Here's the key point. The Fed does not answer to politicians, which ain't a glitch. It's the whole damn point. So why does independence matter? Well, politicians live on election cycles and the economy doesn't. If the Fed answered to politics, politicians up for re-election would say, cut those rates, make money cheap, vibes only. And when inflation inevitably explodes, well, that looks like next year's problem. Someone else can clean it up. Sound familiar? That's called every bad economic collapse ever. With independence, the Fed can say, look, we know this is unpopular. We know people will bitch and moan. We also know it's necessary and we're going to do it or not do it anyway. Democracy needs that tension. The adults in the room occasionally need to stop the party and tidy up the house. Well, wait a minute there, buddy. You say unelected people controlling my money? Well, your instinct is valid and duly noted. That healthy skepticism earns you a gold star. But the trade-off is you can either have a central bank that makes boring, unpopular, long-term healthy decisions, or a system that gets used like a campaign prop or a political weapon. And history is extremely clear on which one ends badly. Spoiler, it's the second one. It's always the second one. Now, the Fed isn't perfect. It's cautious to a fault. Sometimes it's late. And spiritually, it wears beige suits. But it exists so our money isn't run by whichever rando yells the loudest, which is a pretty solid reason to keep it boring and independent. That's the bigger picture. Let's keep connecting the dots.